course was excellent, very thorough with all the stuff he taught us. Showed us with the different types of machines they offer, the dynos. They made us run cars in the dyno, made us do full inspections. Pretty thorough. It was pretty good. Highly recommend.
Comparing to like my previous school that I went to, I think they're way more smarter and they work with you, and I feel like it's better here at MAT because since we're like a family, we're smaller. He's there to help you like side by side. You know, it's not like a big classroom.
I would definitely recommend, not just because they're so nice and they're always willing to help you, but it's always good to learn something different. I will recommend 100%. They're very easygoing. They're so nice to everyone that I will recommend you to start at MAT.
I really highly recommend people that really want to know automotive, and also, I mean, the price-wise, I mean, I ended up spending $30K on UTI, you know, and right here is like it's more budget-friendly, and I feel like you get even the same or even better education, you know.
If you guys ever want to, you know, go into the Smog training programs, it's a great school for you guys, Master Automotive Training. Even after you finish, you know, we cater to you guys. We want to have you guys come with us, become a part of the family. You know, we do a great ceremony for you guys, graduation, have some food, you know, spend some good time, and then always want you being part of us. If you guys ever have questions, you guys can reach out to us. You know, we're the school for you.